Okay, what do we have today?
You've nearly finished a layout, adorned in surface mount pads in all their glory, when you realize you still need to place a terminal block. But don't dismay, because TE Connectivity offers a two-piece pluggable SMT connector solution, the Buchanan Wiremate Connector Surface Mount TB series. The series of connectors enables designers of lighting, industrial controls, and building automation systems to fully switch to surface mount technology. And it's compatible with reflow soldering temperatures for fast and simple assembly. TE's Buchanan Wiremate Connector Surface Mount TB Series connectors are available with up to 12 positions on a centerline pitch of 3.5 or 5 millimeters and are rated up to 15 amps, 300 volts. Plugs offer various wire entry angles for maximum design flexibility, and retention options are available to secure the connectors to the PCB.